Let's switch camps now. The Prime Minister is unlikely to receive a second interest rate cut at this afternoon's Reserve Bank meeting. Let's go to Trudy McIntosh. She's in Adelaide for us. Trudy, back-to-back cuts not expected.
Pete, this was always going to be a big day early in the election campaign. The Reserve Bank meeting this afternoon, the first time it's met since that rate cut we saw in February. But we're not expecting, according to the big four banks, no one is predicting today that we will see the cash rate cut from 4.1%. But for Anthony Albanese, his economic message to Australians is that the worst of the mortgage pain is in the rearview mirror now, and that inflation is getting back under control. And on that, three of the big four banks are expecting that we will see further interest rate cuts later in the year, potentially up to three of them. There's another big wild card, though, coming for the Prime Minister in the next 48 hours, and that is Donald Trump and what he's going to do with these so-called Liberation Day tariffs on April 2 in America. Potentially, right across the board, reciprocal tariffs for all countries as Australia is scrambling once again to try and secure an exemption. We're here this morning in a dark but pretty warm Adelaide. Voters out here early. The first chance to have their say on the Prime Minister. This is the first time he's been in South Australia during this campaign. Have a look.
Not too sure, to be honest. Haven't seen him recently.
He's in town today, actually.
In town today?
Yeah. Do you think he'd make a good Prime Minister if he went again?
Oh, maybe, yeah. He pulled his socks up a bit, maybe. No.
What about you?
No, he's got too many immigrants coming into the country.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah.
And why do you
I have no strong feelings either way.
The Prime Minister hasn't arrived in the city of Churches empty-handed. Today he's going to be making a $150 million pledge for a new healthcare facility to be matched by Flinders University in the city south. And by no coincidence, this is also in that crucial marginal seat of Boothby, held by Labor's Louise Miller-Frost on a margin of 3.3%. But for more than 50 years, it was in Liberal hands. And so the Liberal Party certainly believe this is one seat they can flip back here in South Australia. To counter that, Anthony Albanese will be alongside the popular State Labor Premier here, Peter Malinauskas, today. Part of that strategy we've seen already in this campaign to side up alongside popular premiers, Pete.
Yep, continuing that trend indeed. Thank you, Trudy. We'll chat again next hour.